Hello everyone, in this video where I'll be sharing an exclusive offer from Bluehost that comes with a fantastic coupon promo code. By clicking the link provided in the video description, you can avail a generous 75% discount and a free domain. In case the link doesn't direct you as expected, simply copy and paste it into your browser, then hit enter to unlock these incredible savings. The coupon will be automatically applied for you. Now, let's dive into today's topics. Introduction. In the bustling world of web hosting, Bluehost stands as a beacon of reliability, performance, and affordability. As we step into 2024, Bluehost continues to shine, offering an array of features and benefits tailored to meet the diverse needs of website owners, bloggers, entrepreneurs, and businesses alike. What is Bluehost? Bluehost is a renowned web hosting company trusted by millions worldwide. Established in 2003, Bluehost has solidified its position as a leading provider of web hosting solutions, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and specialized WordPress hosting services. Benefits of Bluehost. Free 1-year domain. With Bluehost, you not only get exceptional hosting services but also a complimentary domain name for the first year. This feature eliminates the hassle of purchasing a domain separately and streamlines the process of launching your online presence. Free SSL certificate. Security is paramount in today's digital landscape. Bluehost understands this need and includes a free SSL certificate with every hosting plan. This ensures that data transmitted between your website and its visitors remains encrypted and secure, fostering trust and confidence among your audience. 75% discount on hosting. Bluehost's commitment to affordability is evident through its generous discounts. In 2024, you can save up to 75% on your hosting plan, making it an attractive option for individuals and businesses seeking high-quality hosting services without breaking the bank. One-click WordPress installation. WordPress powers a significant portion of the internet, and Bluehost simplifies the process of launching a WordPress-powered website with its one-click installation feature. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a novice, setting up your WordPress site is effortless and efficient with Bluehost. 30-day money-back guarantee. Bluehost stands behind its services with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with your hosting experience within the first month, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. This commitment to customer satisfaction underscores Bluehost's dedication to excellence. 24/7 customer support. Technical issues can arise at any time, which is why Bluehost provides round-the-clock customer support. Whether you have questions about your hosting account, or encounter website-related issues, or need assistance with troubleshooting, Bluehost's team of experts is available to assist you whenever you need them. Conclusion. In conclusion, Bluehost continues to set the standard for reliable, feature-rich web hosting solutions in 2024. With its free 1-year domain, complimentary SSL certificate, substantial hosting discounts, seamless WordPress integration, money-back guarantee, and unwavering customer support, Bluehost remains the preferred choice for individuals and businesses seeking a hosting partner they can trust. Don't miss out on the opportunity to save 70% on your hosting needs with Bluehost's managed WordPress hosting services. Unlock the power of a robust online presence today. Remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Jesus bless you.